bear stuff right here.
It's pretty warm.
Yeah.
Compared to the pool yesterday. Way warm. And the water is not deep at all so far.
Once we get out there, it'll get deeper.
Still pretty much knee height, and we're so far out. So not even deep enough to do snorkeling. Anyway,
Oh, that gave me a good fall. I can't run in this. I'm not gonna run in this thing.
Now that's a good workout.
I can't. Oh, that is hard. That is hard. Getting a little bit deeper.
just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yo, I wish you guys could feel this water, man. Like, the pool water yesterday was like cold at this weather, but this is just still cool, but not like, yo, cold. Still the water isn't even so deep. It's now, we're this far out.
See, at the other beach, this would feel like over here.
Yeah, well no, we'd be deeper than this. Because this is like 100 meters out. And we're still, yeah. We were not this far out. Look where the water touches out there. Definitely not that far out.
Yeah, because I bet you it's like either like earlier in the morning maybe.
Now you can probably see like more of the beach, the resorts over there. Over there used to be Starfish Hotel, and now it's Royalton Hotel, which is owned by the Spanish. So yeah, maybe not quite the same, but yeah.
Oh, no, just kidding.
Yeah, a little bit higher, but like.
Once we reach the edge, it's not going to be that high.
Damn. Oh my god. Okay. Now it's pretty much. And we are at the border. We're pretty much at the border of as far as you can go. Because they have these things out here.
Well, I mean, you could go under it and go over.
Yeah, but the lifeguard. Respect, yeah? The water's not so high, but I don't know why this is out here. It probably could have been a little bit further.
It'll go further when we go there, though.
Well, yeah. Well said. I must go in the water a little bit. See what it's like under there. Go. It's under here. Is like super salty.
Yeah, like salty.
It's like somebody just gets like a whole jar of salt and just tosses it in your mouth.
Ugh, that's disgusting.
But I'm sure it looks super clear under there. You know, everybody else is way over there. And we out here.
Jamaica, boo.
So I go on easy, you know. pretending like I don't see her. She's not gonna stop. She's never gonna stop. She's persistent, right? Can you guys see her waving? We don't see you. We're not. No. No. Go underwater. Submerge. 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 Hide. 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 Did she see us? Oh, god damn it.
Ermagers. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Huh? What's that? What is waving?
What's waving? Is that like a
like waves.
like slowly drifting?
High five for the vlog.
Are you
I'm not gonna diss you. No. Awesome.
It's not completed.
You can't see my body because of the sand. Oh my god. The sand.
That guy's going by. So calm and relaxing. This beach, I wish it was like neck high. I don't think
You'll
you'll.
notice a bunch, like 3 black people going under the thing.
So white people are invisible?
Yeah.
I just want to know.
You can't really see them that much.
It's nice.
Yeah, this is the perfect workout running in here.
Can I be above the law and break the law and go under this?
You're gonna break the law.
I think I am. I'm gonna be diving under. See you on the other side.
I know, that's what I felt too.
If a what?
S-H-A-R-K.
I would melt. I would become one with the water. I'd be like, listen, right here is stank meat. The meat here is stank.
just like Steve.
That's what I do. Seriously.
You're fine.
This is not so deep back here.
No, it's not.
Right,
Honestly,
my point was like,
I feel like we're on like the stupid movie where we're the 3 stupid people who actually break the rules and then
We get fucked.
we get. This is the part where I have to go boop. Man.
although we could like all opposite this direction, you two to that direction, then we always.
I know I'm good because the shark would go after Malachi.
Oh, what the?
Definitely.
That's up. Nah. Body protection system activate. Kick sand. You can't see me anymore.
Oh yeah. I just do my wet myself routine. Wet myself. Warm water. This water is too warm for you, Mr. Shark. This feels so good. So lit. So good. It's cold? I think it's warmer.
But I can't. No, I still have bath hair. Oh my god. It's like the best hair to
What is bath here?
from the fountain. Like
Oh.
the sulfur, the hot springs.
Okay.
It's like the most incredible my hairs ever felt. So I don't really get this into the bath hair.
So you'll never wash your hair again?
Well, gonna
I'm
stop
joking.
next month to do it.
Funny.
I'll be here monthly. Cool.
So Bonnie said she wants to stay floating, but she's scared she will just float away. So we're keeping float watch to make sure she doesn't float away.
Says Steven on it.
Best naps on the beach, but now we moved because it got really cool over there, so we moved back in the sun. So I'm just gonna lay out again, take in some sun. Got some suntan, some bath oil on my back. So yo, should be good. Should be protected in the sun. It's something that we got by Bath Fountain. It's like coconut oil with like pimento and some other spices. It smells really good. And it should work. I hope it works. Or else I'll be like a burnt brownie maybe. Anyway, I'm just gonna lay out and maybe do a time lapse of this. And yeah, pretty much. Wow, like legit, they had like the best sleep just now. Man, this hiccup has been with me for a lifetime. Like I've had it from this afternoon and all, no, you can't leave. Jeez, hiccup. But yeah, I got a very well deserved nap. Now we were over there first, then we moved here. I got a nice sleep. And I was just chilling, man, you know. Now I was getting a little bit late. The sun is going down and I feel rich. I don't feel rich with money, I feel rich with time. I feel rich with nature, and I feel rich with the blessings of the Lord, you know. And rich with this hiccup, because I have so much of it. Oh my gosh. But yeah, funnily, when we were in Mobay, we're in Falmouth, there was a Disney cruise ship, and now it's hiccup. It's out there, watching it pass by. I didn't know that's how quick ships were. It's moving pretty fast. You can see the camera moving because of a hiccup, yo. I don't know. Hiccup. Now the day is over. Jeez. The worst part.
What?
Leaving.
I know.
It's the worst part. But everyone's lit. What's that?
It's lavender mist.
Sponsorship.
Cool your skin after the sun.
Alright, yeah, I'm ready. Hit me up, bro.
So good.
Let me get some more.
I just got lavenderized. And lavenderized.
My boy said lavender eyes.
Oh yeah,
Lavender eyes.
yeah. And I love it.
I want to be lavender eyes. I just